Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can configure a static IP address and a DNS on a Windows 11 device. Now I'm on the Windows 11 device and we can check what IP address we are using. We can use the command prompt. So I'll search for command prompt. I'll type cmd. And here in the command prompt, I'll type ipconfig. And that should show us the IP address we're using. And to see the DNS information, I'll repeat the command and add /all here. And this is the DNS servers right here, 8.8.8 and 1.1.1.1. Okay, now to check whether you're using static or DHCP, you can always click on this network icon here, right click, go to network and internet settings, then under Ethernet, expand it, and if you scroll, you see the assignment is DHCP here. And you can also see the IP address, default gateway information as well. Now to change it to a static IP, we'll use the control panel. So search for control panel here. And then open the control panel, click on network and internet. Okay, and then click on network and sharing center. Here click on change adapter settings. Here you should see a list of all your network interfaces. So right click on the one you want to make changes to and click on properties. Here if you're using IPv4, select IPv4 here, click on properties, and right now it's obtaining the IP via DHCP. You want to change it to static, you have to select this option and assign it. So for instance, I'll say 192.168.1. Let's say 140. And then put in your subnet mask, and then your default gateway 68.1 and 1. Same thing with DNS. You can just type in your DNS information here. 4.4.4 1.1.1.1. Then click OK, close, and we'll open the command prompt again. We'll do ipconfig. Now the IP has changed. You can do ipconfig /all to see that DNS has also changed. So that's all for this video. That's how you can assign a static or manual IP address and DNS on a Windows 11 device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.